What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. We've got another 3 ways to style series today, this time in the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway. As soon as I saw these, I knew that I had to get my hands on them. I joined every raffle I could, and as usual, I struck out on them all. But this is one pair that I'm happy to pay resale for. The colorway is straight beautiful, and honestly, the quality on these are mad. I was so shocked when I saw these in real life. Apparently these and the dark curry highs both have top-notch quality on them, so Nike really stepped it up with this pack. If you can get your hands on these for a good price, I'd highly recommend it. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing, guys. So once again, we've got the red and white Nike logo box. And finally, the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway. Now getting into the shoe, we've got this beautiful nubuck suede texture all on the upper area, and almost greyish white base that goes up to the toe box. That medium curry brown color blocking. A creamish beige hue on the swoosh, lighter off-white tones on the midsole, a dark brown outsole, that Nike branding on the back, a nylon tongue with that Nike logo popping in brown, and finally, sail white laces with a really interesting shiny weave to it. I'm pretty sure you guys know that I'm all about the cream and brown tones, so this pair was a big must for me. It's the perfect dunk to go with those brown toned days, super easy to style low top, and now that we've got all of that out of the way, let's get into the fun bits with some on-foot looks and style tips. And there you go, guys. That was 3 ways to style the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative. I already know I'm going to be wearing these a ton. As I said before, I love warmer tone fits, and these are the perfect dunks to go with your white, brown or cream outfits. The much higher quality on the suede is a huge plus point for me as well. Of course, that does come at a cost. So if you like your sneakers clean and as stain-free as possible, you definitely want to pick up a waterproof spray for these. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, Don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.